What are you doing, Boris? What are you doing? What? What? What are you doing? What? What? Huh? Does that feel good? It does. Oh, are you gonna bite me? No, you wouldn't do that, would you? Come here, you just. Oh. Does that feel good? Boy, you go, boy. You go, boy. You go, boy.
Talk with your doctor about your medicines, including those for migraine, or if you have high fever, confusion, and stiff muscles, to address a possible life-threatening condition. Tell your doctor.
Hi, Boris.
Liver disease before you reduce or stop taking Cymbalta. Dizziness or fainting may occur.